Assalamu alaikum. We are going to finally do the hijab tutorial that everyone has been requesting for. This is the full coverage one with the little flick over here. I'll try and make this as simple as possible. Short side, long side, very long side. So bring this forward, and what you're going to do is just like we usually do when we pin it like that, but make the crease. Just make the crease and make this to your liking, however flowy you want it. But instead of having it pinned here, or you can use the pin to help support you with what we're about to do. So we're just going to pin these sides down here. I'll stop the video, but stuff it. So pin those sides down until it's that it's even. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the long side to tuck it under the short side, just like that. And this will cover your neck. So then what you're going to do is bring that to the back, and we're going to wrap this around your head. Usually I would put one pin there, and one pin over here for the support, but I've only got one pin left over at the moment. So I'm just going to put this at the end just to show you guys. Just like that. Simple. This, you can have it as much as you want. You can do like a full chest and it just looks pretty like that. Or you can do, you know, a short one. Or you can do it to the neck throwback and it gives you the full back coverage. And this is my everyday work hijab. Like that.